Hello everyone, welcome to your virtual instructor. So today we are going to talk about network access control list. It is also called as NACL or network ACL or NACL in short. What is network access control list? So it allows or denies specific inbound or outbound traffic at the subnet level. You can use the default network ACL for your VPC, or you can also create a custom network ACL. Default network ACL allows all traffic to your subnet, but you can always add additional ACL rules to control the traffic. ACL provides an additional layer of security. So what is the difference between security group versus NACL? Security group operates at the instance level. Network ACL operates at the subnet level. Security group applies to an instance only if it is associated with the instance. Network ACL applies to all instances deployed in the associated subnet. Security group support allow rules only, but network ACL supports allow as well as deny rules. In the security group, all rules are evaluated before deciding whether to allow the traffic. In the network ACL, it evaluates all the ACL rules in the order starting with the lowest numbered rule when deciding whether to allow traffic. Security group are stateful. That means return traffic is allowed regardless of the rules. Network ACLs are stateless. Return traffic must be explicitly allowed by the rules. So let me explain it further. Suppose you are adding one security group rule to allow port 80 inbound. So automatically the return traffic, that means outbound, will be automatically allowed. So they are stateful. But in network ACL, you have to add inbound and outbound rules separately for the port 80. So that means they are called stateless. So this is the architecture which we are going to follow in our today's lab. So we have one public subnet and we have EC2A machine deployed in it, and we have one security group associated with it, and also we are going to make changes to the default NACL. Also this VPC has the internet gateway which allows the communication from the outside world. So let's jump into our lab today. So here I am in my AWS console. So if I go to my EC2 dashboard, I have one instance running that is publicly accessible. And if I go to security groups, this is the security group which is associated by my public EC2 machine. So here I am only allowing the SSH traffic. If I go to my VPC dashboard, under the security, if I go to the network ACL, we have one default NACL which is associated with the two subnets, the private subnet as well as the public subnet. So if I see the inbound rule, all traffic is allowed, and also there is one inbound rule which denies all the traffic. But as I mentioned, it will be evaluated starting with the lowest number. So at number 100 it will stop evaluating and it will allow the all the traffic. So you can see allow, and even if you see outbound rule, it says allow with the rule number 100. If I go to my EC2 dashboard again, here I am already logged into my public EC2 machine, the machine ending with 117. Here also you can see the machine ending with 117. I've already installed web server in it. You can use the below commands install web server on your EC2 instance. I will put these particular steps in the description of the video. So now if I try to access, I will not be allowed. So what I will do, I will go to my VPC dashboard and I will go to the security groups and my public EC2 group, added the inbound rule. Here I will be allowing the HTTP from anywhere. I can see hello world is being displayed on my web browser page. Now let's go to network ACL. Edit inbound rules. Here you see that all traffic is being allowed with the rule number 80. So what I will do, I will just add one rule with the rule number 80. That means the lower number, and I will put HTTP, and here I will put deny. Now it goes into the infinite bit. So that means I'm not being allowed. So now what I will do, here if I will change this number to 180 and save changes, then if I refresh the page, then I will be able to access my web page. Okay, so now let me try to help you understand in a better way. So earlier we had only two rules in our network access control list. One was the 100 with the number 100 and where all traffic was being allowed. And second was the star all traffic deny. So what was happening? NSCL engine was evaluating the rules. So it was coming to the 100 and it was seeing all traffic is being allowed. So it doesn't go further and it allows the all traffic to the subnet. But what we did after that, we introduced one more NSCL rule with the number 80 and denying the port HTTP. So now what's happening? NSCL rule is going and seeing at the number 80 HTTP traffic is being denied. So it automatically stops and denies the HTTP traffic. In this case, we were not able to access the web page. So after this, what we did, change this 80 number to 180. 180 HTTP denied. So then what NSCL engine was doing, it was evaluating from here with the lowest number, which was saying all traffic allow. So it was automatically allowing all the traffic, including the HTTP, and discarding all the rules present in the NSCL. I hope I am able to help you understand in a better way. So please do leave your feedback. So let's proceed further. Here also, if I go to the outbound rules and suppose if I change it to deny. Now if I refresh the page, I won't be able to access my page. Though my response to the web server is reaching to the web server, but when it is sending the page, I'm not going to receive it because I have explicitly denied the traffic in the NACL. So if you see all traffic deny. So until unless I won't explicitly allow it, it won't give me the correct result. So what I will do, I will again go to the outbound and here I will change it back to deny and save. And you can see I am able to access this particular page. So this marks the end of our lab today. So thank you for joining and do provide your feedback. I hope to see you in the future videos. Thank you and have a good day.